guys, welcome back to BMW Fanatic. Now, when I started this channel over 2 years ago, so I think it's been about 2.5 years, getting close to 2.5 years now, I saw the need for DIY videos surrounding the N54 engine. Now, there were some out there, but I took it to that next step further. I'm like, I need to make a channel and make videos about, kind of like things that go wrong on this car or things to look out for. I'm telling you, it's a lot of things that people don't know, and it's very important that, it will help you have a better ownership when you know these things. And this is like tips and tricks, any kind of reviews on certain products, what works, what doesn't, what should you do first, what should you do next, maintenance stuff. I mean, that's a big thing. People would just start throwing on tunes and not doing like spark plugs and coils. So it's just like, I found that avenue to be able to relay this information to you guys. So I just want to say a huge thank you to helping me reach 30,000 subscribers. That's been a huge goal of mine, of course. So just 2 days right before my birthday, hey, that's pretty cool to have a nice little achievement right there on that front. But I wanted to provide that service out to you guys, and so that way you had an avenue to be able to go to YouTube and find the information that you need to find. You didn't have to go through forums or anything else like that. Or even when you search on Google about this stuff, my videos will pop up. So I try to do the right kind of videos so that way I can get as much knowledge and information off to you, so that way, you feel a little bit better about owning this car. And, I appreciate all the messages that I get all the time as far as, hey, thanks for this DIY, or hey, thanks for that video, or hey, thanks for helping me out answer a side question. I try to be as much of my comments as possible on all videos. It gets a little crazy at times, but I try. And then of course, if you message me on Instagram, I try to get to all those and respond. Of course, it gets a little overwhelming, but I do try to answer anything that you guys have going on, to say the least. Some big things coming, of course. I'm moving into my new house next month, so end of next month I'll be in the new house, new videos, new stuff coming on. Definitely looking forward to that, so that way I can start pumping out those videos in that garage. We got DIYs, a lot of other things coming, and then since of course it's starting to be a lot better outside, I want to also do a bunch of other different videos as well. So lots of cool stuff coming here as I make that transition from my temporary home to where I'm going to be at. Well, just like with everything else, you can check out my playlist to see all the DIYs, informational videos. If you've never seen any of those before, skim through there. I cover a lot of different other areas in general, so I'm sure there'll be something out there for you to watch. Well, guys, thanks again for help supporting me to get to 30,000 subscribers. I wouldn't be here without you. And prize giveaway coming up very soon at the 1st of June, so please be sure to stick around for that, because that one's going to be pretty good. Thanks again, and as always, please be sure to subscribe, like this video, and comment below. Have a great week.